What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to give yourself a lineup. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So firstly, I'm going to comb down my hairs. I've got like an edge brush right here. You can use a comb or just a brush and just comb down the front. I've got my fast feed clippers with a number 1 and I'm lever open. I'm just gonna debulk the front a bit because it's a bit too bushy. Boom, easy. So now I'm just gonna brush it down one more time to lay down all the hairs. So now, what you want to do is start from the middle. As you can see on my lineup, I have 2 cowlicks here. I'm not going to start all the way up here to make it connect, because if I start up here, look how much hair I'm taking off. I'm pushing myself back majorly. So I have 2 cowlicks here. I'm going to start right here and then work my way to one side and then work my way to the other side. That's what we're doing first. And it's taps, Don't press on your skin. You don't want to get scars. Don't tilt the trimmer like this. Straight, make it straight, and then you're good to go. Now for the vertical bars, you're going to match it with your eyebrow. So mine's up here. I'm going to match it. Boom, it stops right there. I'm not going to push myself back here. I'm not going to tilt it like this. Tilt it straight and make it as straight as possible. Boom. See how it matches? From here to here. You don't touch your eyebrow. You're going to cut it, obviously. Just because you don't see a sharp line doesn't mean you have to dig into your hairs to see that sharp line. You will push yourself back majorly. I like to go like this to clean up the rest of the hairs. And then for the next side. Boom. Boom. It's looking good already. I'm going to brush it down a bit more. Now, for the C-cups, super easy. Follow your natural line. Don't push yourself back. I keep saying it. It's very important. Don't push yourself back. Follow the natural line. Boom, tough. Really important tip, if you want the C-cup to be symmetrical to the next side, follow it from here to the next side. So this is what I like to do. So I made my C-cup here. I go like this and follow it. Stop. Boom. Right there. And then I make my C-cup. And that's how it's going to be symmetrical. And I like to go over it a couple times. Boom. This is an edge up. This is with no enhancements, all natural. But I like the way enhancements look, so I'm gonna put that on my hairline. So I've got the fibers right here. I'm some of this right here. Put it. I got like a random card I cut up. Yeah! I want to put some holding spray to just lock it in, and I'm going to come over it again. Let that John sit for like 5 minutes. Y'all, on a side note, we hit 30K subs, bro. 30K subs. Yo, guys, I'm so happy. I am so grateful. I'm so, like, I'm lost for words. Like, I started my channel about a year ago, and I came this far by the grace of God, and I'm just so happy and so grateful for it. I can just say I'm grateful a million times, you know? But yeah, we came a long way, and I'm getting that 100K. Trust me, I'm getting that 100K. Come on, come on. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, support your boy. I appreciate the love and support from everyone who watches me. And yeah, I'm gonna continue to pop up for you guys and show up for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So now I'm going to come over it again. Crispy. Crispy. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. But anyway, this is the end of my video on how to give yourself a lineup. Make sure you like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. God bless.